come the big rigs rolling down the street. Dump-a-dump-a-bump-a-bump-a, beep, beep, beep. Where's the little excavator? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Yep, that's the doggy. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, grumble, grumble, fall, fall, fall. Yeah, wham. Fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. There's a doggy. There he is, yeah. Grum goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Push a push a smush a smush a smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Yeah, junk, junk, junk. Drum goes the dump truck with the load to lug. Dunk a dunk a clunk a clunk a chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. Yep, work, work, work. What about this page? Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Okay. Dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Whir goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Aww. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Yeah, that's a doggy. Not a single one. You're fun. Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. Yeah, they don't fit. But can it be little E fits just right? Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. See all the doggies? Yeah. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. For little diggers everywhere.
The end.